The title of my communication is Removal by Precipitation of PP2 by two anionic clays based on MgAlCO3 R equal 3 and NeAlCO3 R equal 3. Abstract. The objective of this work is the comparative study of load removal capacity. The treatment of Pb2 is carried out using two types of synthetic anionic clays based on MgAl and NeAl. The physico-chemical and morphological characterization is done by XDR, FTIR, BOT, and SAM techniques. The study of lead precipitation of the material used shows that both types of clays have a high Pb2 removal capacity with preference for MgAl based clays. The study of the parameters influencing precipitation such as pH and contact time indicate that these two clays have maximum capacities in the pH range between 5 and 7.5. Equilibrium is reached after 10 and 13 minutes for MgAl and NeAl respectively. The amount of precipitation Pb2 increases as the clays mass of MgAl and NeAl increases. Keywords: precipitation, anionic clays, leads, elimination. Characterization by XDR, FTIR, BOT, and SAM. Characterization by XDR, FTIR. The XDR spectrum of the HDR phases show well-ordered lamellar structures with high degrees of crystallinity. The interlaminar distance are 7.76 Armstrong and 7.73 Armstrong for MgAl and NeAl respectively. The infracted spectra of NeAl and MgAl materials shown in figure 2 shows both vibration bound around 3,415.41 centimeter and 3,400.16 centimeters respectively. These bonds are attributed to the valence vibration of the OH groups. Characterization by BOT. The adsorption isotherm of study clays are of type 5, figure 3, which are characteristic of mesoporous materials. The hysteresis loops are of types H3. The specific surfaces are 58.72 meter square gram and 57.55 meter carry gram for NeAl and MgAl respectively. Characterization by SAM. The micrographs obtained figure 4 of the NeAl and MgAl shows a heterogeneous distribution of the particles, large particles with different size and thickness, having geometrical form and geometrical form, and other very small white seam to be powder are observed. These particles are characterized by surface lamar plates and aggregate of staked nanosheaths. Experimental contact time effect. According to figure 5, lead in HDL of type MgAlCO3 is better retained than in NeAlCO3. The pH effect. PP2 precipitation in both HDL is maximal in the pH range between 6 and 7.5. Temperature effect. The two figure 5A and 8A and 8B show that for both HDLs, the precipitated amount of Pb2 increases with the increase of the temperature from 20 degree 25 degrees Celsius to 14 degrees Celsius. When the temperature exceeds 14 degrees Celsius, the amount of precipitated Pb2 reduces. Conclusion. This study indicates that the possibility of elimination by precipitation of Pb2 by the material study, the capacity of elimination depends on several parameters, namely the temperature, the concentration of Pb2, and pH of the medium. Thank you for your attention.